If you receive fresh flowers or you buy fresh flowers, sometimes the florists are nice enough to leave you a little sachet of the plant food. But after a couple of days, it's done and you need to change the water. So if you want to preserve the life of your bouquets of fresh flowers, what I want you to do is in your vase of water, just add a little bit of baking soda, right? And keep your flowers intact in there. It's going to keep it fresh and they will last longer. After 2 or 3 days, change the water, refill it, add some baking soda. You get to extend the life of your fresh flowers, which usually cost a pretty penny, and you definitely don't want them to fall flat after less than a week. So do this, change the water every 2 or 3 days. You should be able to extend the life of your fresh flowers and your bouquets for as long as an additional 2 weeks.